If you're wondering how to export projects in Descript, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can efficiently export your projects with ease. Whether you're creating podcasts, video content, or audio files, knowing how to export properly in Descript is crucial to ensuring your work is ready for distribution. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can get Descript completely free with exclusive bonuses just for you. So, let's get started. First, let's make sure your project is ready to export. Once you've finished editing your project, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click the Malalas Share for Us button. This is your gateway to the export options. From here, Descript gives you multiple formats to choose from, such as video, audio, or even text-based formats, depending on what you need. Make sure you've selected the correct part of the project you want to export, whether it's a full transcript, an audio clip, or a complete video. Next, let's look at the different export formats. If you're working with audio, you can choose between formats like MP3, WAV, or M4OKL. For video exports, Descript offers a variety of options such as MP4OKL. Selecting the right format is crucial depending on your end goal, whether you're uploading to YouTube, sharing an audio file on a podcast platform, or exporting for professional audio editing. Descript's user-friendly interface allows you to make this choice quickly. Once you've chosen your export format, you'll see options to adjust your export settings. For example, with video exports, you can choose whether to include video, audio, or both. You can also select whether to include any captions you might have created. Make sure you've checked all the settings you need before moving forward, as these will impact the final output quality. After adjusting your export settings, Descript will process the project. Depending on the length and complexity of your file, this might take a few moments. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status of your export. Once it's done, you'll be prompted to either download the file directly to your computer or send it to a cloud service like Dropbox or Google Drive for easier access across your devices. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're exporting for social media or a particular platform, Descript lets you adjust the video's aspect ratio. For example, if you're exporting for Instagram, you might want to choose a square or vertical aspect ratio, ensuring it looks perfect on mobile screens. You can do all of this directly from the export settings, saving you time and effort in post-production. For anyone new to Descript, this software truly simplifies the editing and exporting process. It's designed to work efficiently for creators of all levels, so even if you're just starting out, you'll find this process intuitive and easy to follow. And remember, if you want to try Descript for yourself with all these features, you can get started for free through the first link below, and don't forget, there are exclusive bonuses available if you sign up through my link, giving you even more value. One last thing, if you're planning to export a transcript, Descript also lets you export just the text, so you can keep your written content separate for articles or blog posts. This is especially handy for those who create video content but also want to have a full transcript for accessibility or SEO purposes. By now, you should be able to confidently export your projects in Descript, whether it's audio, video, or text. Whether you're creating a podcast, YouTube video, or just want to share a quick audio clip, this simple process is the key to finishing your project and sharing it with the world. Don't forget, if you want to get started with Descript and take advantage of an exclusive extended free trial, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.